Hello everyone, welcome back. So after committing our changes, we need to click on this open version. This will basically take us to a notebook with a pretty good overview, so we can read and what's happening per section. You can basically see every section it has segregated for us. And now if you just click on output, you'll get this file iris.hy. We need to download this. Just download this file and keep it on a desktop. So I'll show in Finder. So I'll just like download it. So after downloading, there are a few more things you need to download. If you are on Mac, you don't need to download this Python. But if you're on Windows, you need to download Python. So you can select Python 3.5 and download it. Similarly, you need to download Node.js. If you are on Mac or on Windows, you need to download this Node.js. So select your operating system and download this. After downloading, make sure everything is installed. So just go to a terminal or command prompt and just see Python version. So by default on Mac it's 2.7.6. You can use Anaconda or virtual environment to set up any other version of Python you wish to like. But 2.7.6 will be enough to get the work done which we want to do. And we also need to have Node. So select Node V and we get a version. You need to get these outputs saying the version which is installed. If you don't get, try to reinstall again. So now what we want to do, we want to convert the H5 model into in a such a way that we can use it in a web application. We need to convert our keras application, TensorFlow keras application into a TensorFlow JS JavaScript, so that all our training, all the parameters which are saved in H5 can be utilized in a web application. So for this, basically, TensorFlow has provided a TensorFlow JS converter which helps us to convert our keras file to a TensorFlow JS file. So for that, we need to install this command pip install TensorFlow JS. I'll just copy it. Like I already have it, so it tells me requirement already satisfied. For you, it will take like couple of minutes to get it done. So after your TensorFlow JS is installed, create a new folder. I will call it tf.js files. Save it. Uh, And now we will basically convert our iris.h5 model to a TensorFlow JS model. So we will use this basically same this command and change our parameters which we need. So first over here, keras will enter and we'll drag this iris.h5 here. So this will give us a path. We'll add another line slash, and then we'll add this the file path, and we'll click enter. So wait for a couple of minutes. I like no, it should within a minute. The work should be done. And if you click on this tfjs files, you'll get two files already inside it. You will get model.json and a binary file. This contains all the file which will be needed for our prediction purposes. So see you in the next video where we'll be looking at a web application and how to install the dependencies needed for a web application and see the prediction live. So see you in the next video.